So you might be trying to figure out how to use the Good Lock application. Now to do this, it's actually pretty basic. You can download and install it from the Galaxy Store. So on your Samsung phone, find the Store application, not the Play Store, just the Samsung Store, and go ahead and open it up. When you open it up, you should be able to go ahead and look for the Good Lock application. So go and just search for it like this, and you should be able to go ahead and find it. Now what you can do is you can go ahead and open it up, and you will be able to come inside of the Good Lock app. Now there are tons of things that you can do inside of this application that basically allow you to kind of go through and kind of modify your Samsung phone. So this is something that's actually really cool. So you can kind of go in through here and kind of modify your Samsung phone all throughout. And that is actually something that's really, really cool that you can kind of just modify here. So find the particular thing that you want to go ahead and add inside of your Samsung experience. You can go through and look for it this way. I don't even think it lets me get out of here. So you can go through, look for it that way, and then you can go through and install it by finding the little install button. There should be a little install button somewhere. So go through, download and install that particular application that you want to do, and that's basically all you're going to have to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.